Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Got a nice bright day out here, so nice little car video about the new Moerman Swivel Master Tbar. That's what it is. This is available in 10-inch, 14-inch, and 18-inch currently. So what is this? This is a Tbar. A Tbar, you put a microfiber sleeve over top of it and you dunk it in your bucket, or you spray the window and you scrub, and then you squeegee everything off. So very, very important to window cleaners. Tbars have been around for a long time. They usually come in fixed or swivel. They come in a variety of different sizes, from 6-inch to 22 to 36-inch. So it's something a window cleaner uses every day. What has Moerman done with this that is different than any other Tbar? So what they've done is they have created angles where your Tbar can now go to like this angle, which is 50 degrees. And then you can go to this angle, which is 25 degrees. And then you can do the usual angle, which is 0 degrees. So commonly all Tbars are like this. If you were to look at a Unger Nin Tbar, they're 0 degrees, and then they swivel when you push in this green button, left to right. I really like a swivel Tbar. I know some people who do not like swivel Tbars, but I'm a big fan of them, especially for commercial work and route work, as far as doing pole work and getting into the different corners. Now, with this, to make it swivel left and right, you're gonna let that latch go up. That's gonna stay there. That's gonna allow this to be pretty free as far as that goes. Right there, there's a little Allen wrench spot, so you can tighten this if you want this to be looser or tighter as far as the swivel. Now you cannot lock it in a position like that. It only locks here. So kind of cool, very similar. It is the same exact grip as the Moerman 2.0 handle. So this is gonna fit on your extension poles the exact same way. It'll lock into Unger underneath, it will lock into Moerman up top, and then it will pressure fit to everything else as far as holding on to it. Now, like when I look at it, the only thing that I would say that could be slight odd is this part is thin to me. When you look at, let's say this is a maker Tbar, and you look at that area that holds the swivel, it's a lot thicker, right? I haven't had a lot of these kind of Tbars break at all, but that's pretty thin as far as that width there. You look at an Ettore swivel Tbar, this is pretty crazy as far as the car goes. Once again, that area is larger than this area. And I look at the Unger Nin Tbar, still that area where down here where it holds it is larger than this. So that would be my only area of a little bit concern is there, as far as that goes. As far as fragileness with the actual Tbar. It's gonna fit all your normal sleeves. It has the same exact width as far as the Unger Nin Tbar, and I know I can use any brand of sleeve with this. Sometimes Ettore can be a little bit loose on it, but I kind of like a loose, light sleeve on there. I am really used to using the Unger Nin Tbar. This has been my favorite for the past few years. I just really like the comfortable grip. When you want it to swivel, you just push this and it swivels like that, and then you can always tighten here. I've had some of these Tbars last me for years, like 6 years. So that would be the big thing with this, is how long will it last? But it gives you something that no other Tbar can do. I put out a post on Facebook and Instagram, and a lot of different people were like, why? Like, why does this even need to be out there? I'll read some of the stuff because it's pretty funny. Let me pull it up. So on Facebook, 30 comments on the post or something. Let's see here. It was a lot of love-hate. Some of the people who have got it really liked it. Charles D. Smith, he's had it. He's used it in the 25-degree angle for deep seals. It's worked really, really nice. Christopher Finch, very nice. I'll have to try this in 2024. Breathe Seth, I would need to try it to give my opinion. Pass one my way. We'll see what happens. Corey Volkanot, I have 2 on order. Should be great for pole. Let's see here. Frank Caligari, love Moerman swivel handles, but this is just unnecessary. Steve Erdman, I have a guy that would love that. Let's see here. Some people think it's doing too much. Looks like it could break easily. Any kind of scrubbing pressure. Eric Rogers, I like the idea that it can swivel or be fixed. However, I don't see the need for different angles for a strip mop. Maybe it will change my thoughts if I buy one. So, kind of all over the place. Jake Van Orden, Moerman, king of gimmicky junk. So, there's a lot of people that, think a lot of different things about it. So, if you want a handle that just has something a little bit different than any other handle out there, then you can really look at getting the Moerman Swivel Tbar, Swivel Master Tbar. So, I'll put the link below. If you guys need to pick up any equipment, feel free to contact me at 970-599-1437. I know it's the middle of winter. I know it's not very busy out there, but if you need some squeegee rubbers or anything, please feel free to contact me. This year in 2024, I am making a change. You will notice a lot less window cleaning videos, just a lot more of product related, just making sure you guys know what the products are that you're buying. If there's videos that you want to see that aren't like field related, but just product related, comment below. Happy to do those and get those done. Pretty soon here, I'm going to have a whole new space that I'm really, really excited about to film in and just create some things that I've wanted to do for like years. I know I've kind of talked about different things over time. I hate talking about what I'm going to do in case it doesn't happen, but I really feel really good about everything that's coming up as far as just the amount of room that I'll have to do things, which is going to be cool. So if you've got any questions about the Moerman Swivel Master Tbar, comment below. Also, I always have affiliate links, so you can always buy through those. Buying through my affiliate links is basically the same as entering orders with me. So if you're just looking to get a quick order in, click on my affiliate link on whatever device you are purchasing through, and that will give me the same amount of credit. We do work off commission only as far as sales reps here at Window Cleaning Resource. So if we're talking a lot and you're ordering equipment, I would be happy to be your supply rep and to put your equipment orders in for you. And in return, also, I always help out people with bids, just different stuff like that. Window cleaning questions, window cleaning business questions. So happy to help. Hope you all have an amazing winter and hope to talk to you all soon. Have a good one. Bye.